Good day, year ones. We are doing science today of page 30 and 31 that you have read yesterday with your parent or your guardian about fantastic elastic. Good, let's just quickly read what it says again. Materials that will stretch are called elastic materials. Rubber is a natural elastic material. It is made from the sap of the rubber tree. And of course you have watched the YouTube video of how the sap of a rubber tree is harvested to make rubber. I hope that was interesting to you. Then we look at the experiment these two boys are doing. I want you to do similar with your parent or your guardian. See, they have some weight here in a little basket, and they have, of course, the elastic bands. And I have put some elastic bands in your pocket with your package. So what you can do is you can try this out. But if you try this out, then I want you to realize there are some dangers. In any experiment, there are always dangers. So we have to be very careful. Here it is asking, what could go wrong in the pictures? Something can go wrong, and I want you to think and you tell your parent what you think could go wrong. And how could you get hurt? Think a little bit when you play with your rubber band. What can go wrong? How could you get hurt? Tell your parent that, okay? Good, then I want you to look at the worksheet. Which elastic is strongest, they are asking. Please ask your parents to give you more elastic bands, even ones that are thicker, shorter, longer, thinner, whatever. I could provide you only with 2, but I'm sure mommy and daddy will have, because most of the offices where they work have elastic bands. Okay. Can you see these 4 weights here hanging on different elastic bands? Okay, these 4 weights are all equal. They are equal in weight. Okay, what I did is I took a bag and there are 10 marbles inside, and I hung it up on a paper clip. So you can put your elastic band up there. I will do that quickly. And you can hang them up like that. And then you can watch what your elastic band is doing. Okay, is it stretching? Is it not stretching that much because it's a strong elastic band, or it's a thick elastic band? Or is it stretching more because it's thin? Okay, I want you to watch carefully. When you do that with your weights that you have, you can use a stone, but remember, if you use a stone, then each of these stones must be the same weight. They're equal weights. That's very important. So if you have 4 of these bags that I have with little marbles inside, then you take the equal amount of marbles for each bag. Okay. Then you answer, which band is the strongest? Now you watch here on your ruler, okay? And you decide for yourself, which one of these 4 do you think is the strongest elastic band? Number 2 is asking, which band has stretched the most? Just look at it. And if you did your experiment, this will be easy for you. Which one has stretched the most? And you write. Remember, you write either a, b, k, or d each time on the line here. And your last one is asking, why do the thinner elastic bands stretch more? 2 very important words that I want here. I want you to think, why is a thinner elastic band stretching more? All right, and if you know those 2 words, You don't need to write a whole sentence, but you can, with the assistance of your parents, with the support of your parents. But I don't want you to ask them the answer. I want you to think and you tell them, and they can help you how you write it here. But you can also only write those 2 words. They can help you with the spelling, but you have to think of the answer. Okay, good luck with this, and we talk tomorrow again. Goodbye.